that didn't take long. We're back out again, not actually far away from where I found that hole in the ground that I may come back to later. I looked at the maps, and on Victorian map there was virtually nothing around apart from posts, boundary posts and water tanks. But I was looking on maps, and in 1912, it wasn't on Victorian map, there was a little pit, a gravel pit, and I've checked it out the next day and I found a modern tip. There could be older stuff in it, but I'm saying it's probably 70s and younger. Could be older stuff underneath. I've had a look around. There's a lot of metal around, old tins and God knows what. But behind me, I found treasure. Dress jewellery. Bunga Indian style dress jewellery. Look at it all. It's literally everywhere. No variable stones. It's still shimmering in the light though, but it's Indian, Hindu style, cheap jewellery basically. But you never know, might be something nice in there. So I'll go through this lot. Hey, scored. But yeah, it's a tiny little gravel pit. And we'll have to have a good look at this. There could be some older stuff in there, or some relics. What we got? Looks like mainly junk to be honest, but you never know. There could be an old reg plate in there somewhere. I can see a screw top poison.